What is 6/8 plus 5/8? Well, there's 6/8, there's 5/8. Now what do we have all together? Well, each of these parts is 1/8, and we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts. So we have 11/8. As you know, that's an improper fraction because it has a larger numerator than denominator, so it represents more than 1. But we could also show this as a mixed number. This seems confusing because here it looks like we don't have any whole numbers. But let's move 2 of those eighths over to this rectangle. Now you can clearly see our mixed number, 1 and 3/8. And if you know that 11 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 3, it's easy to work out our mixed number. So what is 5/6 plus 2/6 as both an improper fraction and a mixed number? We have 5/6 and we're adding 2/6. Now we can count 7/6 all together. That's our improper fraction. But what about our mixed number? Well, we can make one whole by moving 1/6 to this first rectangle. So then you can see as a mixed number we have 1 and 1/6. And if you know that 7 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 1, it's easy to work out our mixed number.